It's pizza time. Hi, I'm Kjwippy and welcome to Kjwippy Cooks. I'm making pizza today with Expand Weed 87 and MadLadBrad.
Hello.
Hello!
Almost nothing.
We're making pizza today.
Yes, we're making pizza today, and so we are going to see who can make the best pizza out of the three of us. And we're going to have our guest judge, who is yet to be determined, probably.
Dog.
She'll eat everybody's.
Yeah. Won't be fair.
She's too nice, she'll give us all credit.
That's fair. Like, thank you, human.
Yes, we will see, and we're going to judge off of three things: taste, texture, and not suckage.
That's 4.
And so what we're using today to make our pizzas, Chef Boyardee's pizza's gonna be good.
We have dough.
Or what will maybe be dough.
We have cheese for pizza.
We have provolone.
We have ham. I thought it spilled.
We have pepperoni.
We have sauce.
And we have not only one sauce, we have red sauce, white sauce, and weird off-brand leaky juice from Julian.
AKA leaky sauce.
And then we also have pineapple for all of you Hawaiian haters out there.
And salmi. So,
And we have...
Oh, and we have water
Wawa.
in case we get thirsty. Alright, so, as I read the instructions properly, heat the oven to 425. There we go. Okay. With the magic of digital editing.
magic of editing.
Stir together, mix from both pouches. Both pouches. Oh.
Wait, where are you reading? Oh, it's on the back.
We can improvise.
No, oh!
Sorry, you startled me.
There's stuff on the side here. Oh, pizza bread snacks.
Stir together, mix from both pouches?
Both
Just
pouches?
the one pouch. And 1 to 1 to 3. Well, for one crust, use 1 pouch and 2. We went over this before we started recording, and I'm still an idiot. Okay. So we each have 2/3 of the wet liquidy that sustains us.
And we have one pooch.
We each have one pooch. Actually, there's another pooch right there.
Insert original catchphrase.
Yes. We've already done the catchphrases.
We're done with that section.
We're done with it now.
Remember the script.
Okay, I think.
2 of them are standing right here.
Well, I guess we're pouring in water now.
Hey, we're
Julian, did
racing
you
the
even read
clock.
the instruction?
I don't care.
What?
I missed a majority of that.
I assume
How did you miss?
I assume you stir. Oh no, it's hardening. It's thicking.
Oh, it's
Oh, this smells weird.
Woo. Would you like the smell of it?
Wait. Oh no, that's just me.
Do you just keep stirring or like
Well, it's hardening, so now...
it's burgeoning?
So now, we drip... Do we have vegetable
Oh,
oil?
it's gooey.
Wait, what?
Do we have vegetable oil?
It's gooey.
Where's the
After mix well until dough is completely moist and forms into loose ball, drizzle 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over it.
That is very much
Coating
not
completely.
moist.
Cover and let stand in warm area for 5
Okay,
minutes.
you skipped through a lot of stuff there. Okay, hold on.
No, I went step by step.
Where's vegetable oil? Do we have vegetable oil?
Mother!
Alright, we have now obtained the oil of the vegetables.
I guess we just.
We scoosh.
I don't like the way this smells.
I don't like the way it
I
feels.
don't like the way you smell.
I don't like the way you feel.
Oh.
This is uncomfortable.
Mozzarella, Papa Boo.
I missed some! No! Yeah. Me on a Thursday night.
No! Wait a minute! When do you stop ball?
When it's completely coated.
Oh. Well, I did that, but I still have like...
Squish. Well, it's supposed to be squished, it's supposed to be moist.
No, I mean like I still have like flour chunks.
Well, stop.
Alright, so stick it in its thing and then let stand.
Stop killing it!
Why do I have...
This is not gonna end well. Oh no. Ah! Oh god, my hand's stuck. That scared me.
Oh no. Oh.
Mine's very sticky.
I need to.
Okay, so let's stand in a warm area for 5 minutes. For a lighter baked crust, we'll stand for 20 minutes. Okay, so we're going to let it stand.
For 5 minutes?
What are you doing?
Do you need more vegetable oil?
I don't know.
He's like...
You need some pizza unmoistening.
I'm the 5-year-old of the group.
Pours the entire jug.
That's
That's
that was more than the whole tablespoon he got.
It's fine.
Okay, here we go.
It's like when you're walking through the store and you see like a big bag of like the meat section. You're
Oh
like,
yeah. Or like excuse you.
Dog.
You have the audacity to interrupt my cooking tutorial. Ow, my fingy. I have to make.
Do you have issues at home?
Is there something you want to talk to us about?
Yeah, I didn't pay my taxes in 2.
I don't think anybody paid taxes in
2 AB. After pieces.
Okay, and let it sit in 3, 2, 1.
I'm still
Okay. Actually, I should probably let it bolt.
I'm not letting mine sit because Kyle thought it'd be a good idea to give me like.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Like 10
Alright.
cups of vegetable
Hey,
oil.
we have the wetch, so I'm going to wetch.
Hey, the good news is my hands have cleaned up significantly.
See, it helped.
So
Because
that's
the
one
vegetable
issue.
oil washed it all off.
But no, it's just like a wet rag.
Okay, so I'm gonna set the timer.
Mine's not sitting yet. It's getting there.
Sorry for everyone at home.
Why are you making eye contact? This is weird, dude.
I know it's taken us this long to say something, but we're very sorry for this.
We're professionals. What are you talking about?
We?
Oh, it's coming.
Alright.
Oh no! Oh,
Oh no! Oh no!
I
Alright,
can save this.
Mine's starting to come along.
Oh no! I stuck my hands too far inside.
Resist! Resist!
That is not family friendly.
Are you ready to set?
Maybe. Hold on.
Oh, this is a problem. Is
I mean, you guys are doing it. It seemed like the right thing
That's
to do.
fair.
Is everything alright at home?
No.
That's fair. You know, societal convention.
Oh
You know, we live in this.
I put a hole in it.
There's more vegetable oil in my bowl.
There's more. Dump it out.
Now we sit.
Yeah, we should let it sit. It's kind of sticky.
Well, yours might be. All right, Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. All right, doing this 5 minutes. Let's talk a little bit about each other's channels. So, Expand Wheat here. His channel is videos.
Yeah.
But have you
videos that-
considered his videos being channel?
Which channel? Expand Wheat 87.
Go subscribe right
Go
now.
if you don't subscribe, then don't get it. Oh, I'm supposed to let it sit. Okay.
Mine's sitting in
See,
oil.
if you like very bland content every 2 weeks, subscribe to Expand Wheat 87.
Yes, I have a YouTube channel called TheMadLadBrad. I've done 2 things so far.
No, you've done 4 videos.
But of 2 separate things.
Okay,
I would
well,
say.
you know.
I'm
WrestleMania.
doing a Kingdom Hearts Let's Play, and I've done some wrestling content. There should be more in the future.
Should be.
I have some other stuff planned, but actually doing it is my problem right now, so... We'll get
bane
to
of
it
every
eventually.
YouTuber's existence.
But hey, Expand Wheat and MadLadBrad don't mean anything compared to the
Hey,
man,
hey,
the myth, the legend, and the video that you're watching right now. So you better
If you,
smash that like
I
button.
have to resist touching that. I'm still
Oh,
trying.
hold on, I'm not done hyping you up yet. You better,
Smash the comment button.
you better ring that like button right now.
And like the bell. I thought you threw your toe.
I do want to take the moment to recognize how much your channel has blown up recently, and I'm very proud of you.
Well,
And you all better subscribe and get him to 300 subscribers right now.
Or not, if you
Right
want to.
now!
Or I will eat this chunk of ham.
I will drink this juice.
If you don't subscribe right now, I will cut his dough.
No, wait. No, please.
Oh, you subscribe. Oh, thanks.
If you don't subscribe right now, more vegetable oil is going into the dough. Did you just eat part of your dough?
No, I ate ham. No, you're supposed to let it sit.
We gotta restart this.
I know it's supposed to sit. I did it on purpose. It'll be the holy dough.
Purpose.
It's a donut.
Alexa, how long do we have left?
Alexa.
You were supposed to keep track.
Alexa, how much longer on my timer? Okay, thanks.
Well, while he's doing that,
Guys, we
let's
don't
talk
have much
provolone.
time left. Hurry up and hit that
15
subscribe
seconds.
button. Hit that like button. So, comment, ring the bell. Hurry, we don't have much time.
Provolone.
8 seconds left.
Okay.
I don't even know if you can hear Alexa. I don't even know if you can hear Alexa. But apparently there was no timer.
Okay. Now I have to shape it. Divide dough between 2 non-stick 12-inch pizza pans or cookie sheets. We have 16 inches high. Oh, you already have them. No, divide them out.
Oh, there's more than one.
Yes.
Exactly.
We just bought them yesterday. They're very nice.
They are.
Very nice.
My nails, lack of nails.
You know what I just realized? No one can see mine.
Hey, well, let's.
We will do final presentation at the end. And hey, we're gonna be using all these
Let's
ingredients.
remove the
anyway, so
bottom.
we can
Oh wait,
start-
no, we need these.
Yeah, we can just start like moving them around because we're gonna be using ingredients and stuff. Are we sure we don't want like? Never mind. I was gonna say like non-stick spray.
These are non-stick.
How do you?
Oh, my apron is riding up on me.
Wait, hold on. What are you going on?
You don't know
there,
where it's
Kyle?
tied. No, I'm developing a hole.
That's why I say we can do it. Pizza, pizza.
When the moon hits your eye and you just want to die, that's amore.
Pretty good.
When you think you're a guy, but in fact you're Bill Nye, that's amore.
What are you trying to say?
Plants vs Zombies Garden.
For reference, the clip, I'm just gonna throw that. Go! Editor Kyle, go!
Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare.
I can't believe you just thrust future Kyle your responsibilities.
Well, that's because he can do it.
He's capable.
He's Cajun Whip.
Cut to future Kyle complaining about having to edit.
Actually, not that bad, but okay.
Please, just
Please.
turn into pizza. Yo, we're having a deep dish.
I don't know what's happening. Wait, we don't need.
Stop! Alright.
Alright.
So, next step in the program.
Marinara.
Spread half of pizza sauce evenly on dough in each pan within half an inch of the edge. Oh, because this is 6 weeks.
I hate the sound of it.
Why did it? Why is it like a soda can? Let me show you. Get us.
Yeah, you're the only one who's gonna use that. I hope you know.
No! It's all over.
This is why
We have paper towels
you
for
don't
a
get
reason.
to be alive.
I'm not. Even...
What? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
What is happening right now?
Did you break? Oh, we're having technical difficulties. Alright. Sauce time. After
Oh,
our...
maybe that was it. Maybe I was just turning it the wrong way.
Ooh, it scared me. Right.
Ha!
You put Alfredo on a pizza?
Ha!
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to make a white person.
Yeah, okay, I guess.
Look at that.
You can't. Here, show him inside.
No, please. No, no, I can't afford a new one yet.
Yet.
Ew. That's just Alfredo? Classic Alfredo.
But we're not even making yours.
Okay. Well, wait, can you not put both?
Oh yeah, you can. I just thought you were
Both?
only gonna do one.
Both a fit.
I'm sorry. Pooped. I'm sorry.
The spoon isn't spreading very well. It's like gooping.
Well, it's because you put like 30 gallons on it. Ooh, it smells like. Oh no! I gotta get the crust.
Put a little bit of Alfredo here and there. Just a little bit of a dab.
Just get off. Get
That's
off.
not a dab.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Okay, that should be enough. Alfredo. Oh,
How much do you need?
too much apparently. I have more Alfredo. It's starting to look like that ketchup and mayo.
Wait, no,
combo.
Julian,
Jack
do a 3-sauce pizza.
Spread half the pizza sauce evenly on. Blah, blah, blah. Make it yours by adding your favorite cheese, vegetables, or cooked meat toppings. It's a shame someone forgot his vegetables.
Shut up! You didn't even buy any.
I asked.
My mother.
No, I texted you guys while I was at the store, and nobody responded until I left. This is for all of you Hawaiian pizza haters out there, and you.
I'm a Hawaiian.
Pineapple on this pizza with Alfredo sauce. Actually, really good.
Pen pineapple apple.
First, we must cheese.
You guys want to use some provolone?
How about you leave me alone? I don't use mine.
Can you please pass?
What did you do? What are you doing? Are you making a crust?
Come on. No, wait, this isn't working, is it?
No, you're supposed to put the cheese on first and then.
Oh no! The only part of it's gonna be cheese stuffed. All the rest of it's gonna. This is what happened to this pineapple.
Oh no! You know what the problem is, Kyle?
It's crushed pineapple.
Yeah,
isn't
you
it?
did not get
God
diced. You didn't get diced pineapples.
Dang it! That's fine. Just gonna spread it around like sauce. Pineapple sauce.
Wait,
Even worse.
that's not even like a terrible idea. You should have put the pineapple in the sauce and then put the cheese on top.
Nothing. Oh, this
I'm
is a weird smelling
I may
pepperoni.
be dumb, but I'm not stupid.
I'm stupid. But you can call me Kjwippy.
No, stop it!
We've done this a million times.
We've only done it once.
References!
We've referenced it plenty of times outside of recording.
Yeah, this is true. This is the first time you guys are hearing the reference, but we say it all the time.
all the time.
All
In case you don't know what we're talking about, videos down in the description. You can check out.
Link
There's
in the
also
description.
there's also right up there. There's a little card that no on the screen. Right up there, there's a card that's gonna pop up like right now.
Whoa, it's right there.
I can touch it.
You poked it real good. Good job. Did you poke it with your mouse cursor? You
Oh, and look at that flying by the
I
screen.
forgot to have to.
It's my channel link. Oh my goodness.
Don't interrupt my cheese.
I forgot I have to. Alright.
That looks very
That's terrible.
pepperoni.
This looks like it'll give me heart
And
cancer.
then put more cheese on top.
Are you gonna,
I'm gonna give
is
someone
he gonna do a
lactose.
lasagna
You're-
pizza?
I hope no one in your family is lactose and toddler ants.
Alright, so just as
I hope
an
no one
overview,
else.
Happy Face Man,
Stuffed crust pizza.
terrifying hexagon
Okay,
lasagna
In
pizza.
all seriousness, I feel like it might turn out pretty good.
Alright,
Why is it so thick?
I'm so
Because there's
scared.
provolone rolls stuck
I
into
know,
the.
but it's just dumb.
It's a pan pizza from Peter Piper Pizza.
And then,
And then we got, I'm scared, but here we go, we got, yeah, this is not.
yeah, I got you.
Don't, please.
It's a nightmare.
No, you're a nightmare.
Ham. Ham.
That was the worst attempt at eating ham I had ever seen in my entire life. Alright, next up, bake it. Place pizzas on the 2 lowest oven racks.
Did you move the racks?
No, but there's definitely not enough space down there anyway. Alright, oven time, get your oven, see what's inside. Alright, get everyone's...
Ooh, that's spicy.
First, calling in all impartial judges. That's your... That's you guys.
Whoever wants to be on camera, I guess.
Do you want to try some pizza? Come on over. First, we'll grab some paper plates.
Don't hurt yourself.
We don't have paper. So, thoughts?
Should try the crust. Lots of dough.
Yeah, lots of dough.
I think not enough cheese.
Not enough cheese. 3 layers of cheese. I guess weren't enough.
I mean, when you look at it, you see
To be fair, it's a huge crust.
there's a lot of it. Like, there's cheese inside.
Maybe from my piece, maybe one more pepperoni.
I mean, to be fair, you just got unlucky with the slice.
Yeah, I don't think there was any like.
There
salami
was
or
like
any
a
pepperoni.
tiny bit of pepperoni on it.
The dough's very good.
Yeah.
That was good. Alright, pizza number 1 has been complete. Do you wish to finish your slices or just carry on to the next? The way you bit that, you like slid it off with your teeth. That was really weird.
Okay.
Alright,
So this one, the crust is burnt.
Ah. It was very cool.
it was really close to the bottom too.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the one at the very bottom.
It has enough cheese on it.
What about sauce?
Not enough sauce.
Yeah, I don't taste much on the sauce. Actually, the crust overwhelms.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go back to this one.
Oh, dang.
Whoa! I feel like that one could be really good though, just because
It looks good.
because it had the Alfredo sauce on it. It had.
All the cheese came off.
Alfredo's really good. I really taste that. What about you?
Not burnt, so I don't get the.
I guess just your cheese burnt.
On those slices.
Yeah.
We gave them the 2 slices that weren't burnt.
The Alfredo's kind of cool, and I like it with the ham.
Yeah.
I didn't taste much pineapple actually, but it's good.
So I'll let you finish your bites. So which of the 3
Had the best cheese.
had the best taste?
That one. Number 3.
Okay.
What about you?
That's the right number 1.
Well, I'm torn between number 1 and number 3. Number 1, I think, could have used more, like I said, cheese. More cheese.
Mm-hmm.
A little flat on the cheese. This one was good. The Alfredo sauce was really good with the ham. Both of them were done well. So, so it was a good amount of crust. Tasted good. So I don't know. I'd probably put this one.
Alright, Kyle wins the taste test.
You didn't do it.
Oh.
I mean, he said 3 at first,
Yeah, I did say 3 first.
but have you changed your mind or?
No, I'm still with that.
Alright. Now, as for
Guys,
presentation, I don't know if you guys remember what the pizza really
That
looked
was a
like.
smiley face.
That was easy. That was the easiest one to.
If I'm running
pick
away
out.
with one category.
So you think 2 is the best presentation or?
No.
You
So I will say, when I saw number 1 first, I was like, what happened to that crust? Because it was like a lot of crust.
Yeah.
Once I understood that there's some cheese inside that crust, I was a little bit better with it. So it looked good. Number 2 was cute, but not practical because only a few pieces have the pepperoni on it, and then the other pieces are basically cheese with one little thing on it.
That's fair.
So, and then this one basically the same as that one. This one actually looked more appetizing, I think. It just looked like it had more stuff. So,
Alright, I guess third category?
Not suckage.
none of them sucked.
Okay, good.
Yeah, none of them sucked. They were very, I'd say, very enjoyable to try.
Yes.
I mean, it's sad to say, I think the real downfall was of that one was the crust got burned.
I'm actually going to go ahead and call the video here. Thank you everybody so much for watching. Thank you to our judges for helping us out. Thank you, Mom, for helping us when we were stupid, which was pretty much the entire time. Thank you, Brad and Julian. Once again, their channels are linked in the description. Go check them out.
I'm not in frame all the way.
That's okay. We see your nose and your thumbs. That's okay.
That was dumb.
Gentlemen,
Thanks everybody watching. Yeah.
Wait, no, wait.
good
We
pizza baking.
Yours has stuff. Like that.
It's the grease.
Yeah. We'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.